Hello everyone, this is day 29 of doing an ice bath every day for 30 days and it's a beautiful day today. The birds are singing, they're probably saying for me to just jump in and cut the bullshit. So yeah, here we go. One day away from day 30 and I'm really excited. So yeah, here we go. Something just dropped and we're gonna be trying Kittens Smittens strawberry flavor. So yeah, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Kittens Smittens. It's plant, vegan recipe power. It says strawberry edit. So strawberry, blackcurrant, raspberry, acai flavor sweets. Okay, package is really easy to open. They actually look like cats. It's very gooey, so I can barely even talk. It's very good. I mean, if you're a person that likes berries, although if you don't like stuff getting stuck in your teeth, wouldn't recommend that. Hey guys, lovely day today. I'm not sure what the temperature outside is today, but it's not that cold, it's just windy. So 0.3 grams of protein. So it has a lot of sugars. Package is actually quite funny looking. Look at that. But yeah guys, that was day 28 of doing an ice bath every day. And we're gonna be dipping our head and get out of here because it's becoming really cold now. Bye now.